Hey folks, today we're going to take a look at these aftermarket running boards that I got. They're only 160 bucks. I'm going to do all the work myself. They're really shiny and smooth. I have some ones that came with my truck right there. This is what it looked like beforehand. I thought I'd just make a quick video. But that's what came with the truck, and I'm fine with that. But I do Amazon reviews, and they sent me these to try out. So these fit a 2019 Tacoma. And it comes with all the pieces, and it's not really hard at all. And you know how they try to charge you an arm and a leg at the dealership, save you some money. And under here already, it took the brackets off. We got new in there. So let's go ahead and undo these. It's quick and easy. There's 3 of them that are going to mount to the 3 brackets, and you slide them in position, lock them in place, and you're good to go. All right, real quick, you just slide this into a little area right here. I'm trying to film this all at the same time, and this is only 160 bucks. All right, but you get the drift there. Let me finish this, tighten these down, and I'll show you what it looks like. It looks pretty nice, I think. I like the chrome aspect. That's why I wanted to change it, because I had some chrome right here, so kind of mix it up a little bit with some black and all that, yeah. And that was the one that came with the truck. It's kind of old, beat up, and yeah, kind of yucky. Tell me what you think. Old one or new? I know y'all gonna say new because this thing looks sweet. All right, let me get the other side on. Huge improvement. Uh-oh. All right, hopefully you guys dig. Got these aftermarket, and I got some red covers coming for this. So I'll link everything down below. I get them off of Amazon. So if you dig this running board, maybe you'll like these, maybe you'll like those new covers, and makes your car look really cool. Okay folks, today's modification is these trim moldings that go around all throughout. So we're talking here, the console, you make sure you get some alcohol, everything. So we're going to convert everything into a red color. All right, with these little trim plastic molds. I had to take the 3M tape off, which is tedious, but it's all good. You dig? So yeah, next we're going to do this whole bit right there with this. Let's check it out. Dude, look at it. It's like putting makeup on, man. These are so cool. Look at that. That makes a huge improvement. Awesome. Dude, this mod is sick. These aftermarket little panels are amazing. Look at, wow. So this is what it looked like before I put that final bit. So you got to put these first, and then you put that final cap, which is this one right here. So we're going to do that one next. And it just uses the 3M tape, and it sticks pretty good. Make sure you wipe it with some alcohol. And wow, this whole thing looks like, my son says it looks like an expensive car now. But yeah, definitely a huge improvement. My floor mats didn't come yet. I'm still waiting for those. They're delayed somewhere. Oh well, let's keep on trucking. All right, so the Carlamiki outfit 1, because I realize now it's outfit 1 and it's outfit 2. So to do the rest, like the doors and all the other stuff and the little panels, console and all that, you have to buy it separately. But nonetheless, look at it, made a huge improvement. What do y'all think? Insane sick, huh? Pow, now I feel like I got a Cadillac. Peace.